What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Trail Adventures, and today is an extra special episode because I'm actually taking my good friend Rich out hunting for his very first time. Rich and I met years ago. We've been really good friends ever since, and we've always talked about hunting and fishing, and he's always expressed an interest in hunting, but never actually had the chance to do so. So now we're actually getting the opportunity to go out, take him out for his very first hunt. All right, Rich, now, you know it's late doe season, which means even if we see the buck of a lifetime,
Can't kill it.
can't kill it. No,
Can't
by
kill
law, can't kill it. So we're only going out for does today.
Yes.
So should be easy to spot does,
Hopefully.
but we don't want to shoot any fawns either, so that's why I'm going to help determine what's a fawn, button buck, and what's a good mature doe. So,
I got the best teacher around.
oh yeah, right. All right, so looks like we're all geared up. We're going to just start heading out there. We've got a long walk ahead of us. Going to get into our blind, get setted down, and just get quiet, wait for the deer to show up. We've been out here since first light now. Since shooting hours began, and haven't seen anything yet. We saw a squirrel earlier, but that's about the only thing that came our way.
Yeah, so far.
Alright, so we are now heading back into the woods. We got ourselves some lunch, got warmed up, relaxed a little bit.
Dude, we didn't make any coffee. We messed up. We messed up, man. We messed up.
Well, as long as you get a deer really quickly, then we can get back fast and get coffee.
That's the goal.
That's your motivation.
Hopefully our efforts are proving to be fruitful. Secret efforts.
Alright, so we're just heading on back to the same blind that we were in before. We didn't see anything this morning, but we did see deer when we got back to the house from the backyard, so hopefully the deer are going to be moving around this afternoon. We're just going to get in, get nice and quiet before they start moving, get ready for prime time, and hopefully we'll have some action tonight. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back at the house now. As far as the evening hunt went, we saw one deer. That's about it. So, Rich is doing great for his first hunt. I mean, he's asking a lot of questions. He's following my instructions, everything I'm telling him to do, all the advice that I have given him, and all the things that we do talk about. He seems really interested in learning, eager to learn, and eager to get this experience and to keep learning and to keep doing this. We're just going to relax for the rest of the night, hit the woods in the morning, and get right back at it. Between the two big gaps, big gap right here, directly in the middle. This is the branch that comes across it up, directly in the middle of that. It's a big mama doe. Let's go. Here's another one. That little spot right there. Somewhere. Yeah, I see it too. His head's down. I just see it. Right behind that tree. Yep. Just gonna be on here. Listen to it. Yeah, it's a spike. 2 bucks.
We saw, what, 7 deer this morning?
6 or 7.
Which is a lot more than yesterday. 3 totes?
$3 and at least 3 totes, maybe 4.
Things are definitely looking better right now.
We'll see if we can get anything else to come out and get a shot on it. If not, we might move for the afternoon sit, change up tactics a little bit. So,
I'm still having a good time though.
at least we had a moment that got your blood pumping.
Yeah, dude, I will say, my heart was beating. Like, it was a rush.
Just by seeing them. So that's cool. That's a buck. That's a buck, and that's facing directly away from us. Yeah, but like, its head is turning. Doesn't matter. It's clear. The body is turning. Right. But I'm saying, like, if we were perpendicular to it, then it's...
Hey guys, it's Red Cherry, and I gotta say, I wish that Tim invited me out hunting, like 4 years ago, when I was 300 pounds. Maybe I would have been able to stay a little warmer. It's not too bad, but I mean, definitely cold. But you gotta give a lot of credit to all those other hunters out there, because they go through it. They really go through it, and it's not a joke. So yeah, you guys are tough people.
Yeah, that's a deer. I just caught another one on camera. That one looked a bit younger. Alright, so we saw maybe 10 deer this morning in the swamp plot, but things have sort of died down now. Went back in, got some lunch, and now we're out here at a different spot. We're on the 80-acre field, trying to see if we can catch any deer crossing. We saw 5 on our way out, but we didn't have a shot at them. We spooked them from their spot. So, this blind's a little bit more enclosed. So, filming's gonna be a bit tough, but I'm gonna do my best to get all the deer we see on camera. This is our last sit, so hopefully we get some action on this one. looks like a bit of a small one though. Here's the second one. Yeah, but it looks like it could be a button buck. It could be. It's a young one. There's more. Hold on. Let me see what this one is. The one that's all the way to the left. That's looks like a young deer. I think I see buttons on it. I think that's a button buck, dude. It's definitely a younger deer. It's 5:25. Still have 6. All right, everyone. Well, we had a pretty exciting evening. Unfortunately, we did not get a deer. That kind of sucks, but we did see all those deer right at the end.
Yeah, I mean, well, let's start with the beginning of our last hunt. I think that it was pretty cool.
With the 5 that we bumped.
Yeah, we were walking up
Yeah.
and we bumped into like 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah.
They were just kind of nesting out and bedding.
They were bedding down, and
See, I'm learning.
as we were walking, we spooked them up, and we didn't have a shot at them because they just took right off to the other side of the tree line. We couldn't get at them, so we sat for several hours until we saw deer coming out and crossing the field. Too far away, couldn't shoot at them. But right at the end there, we had four
at the tree line.
3 bucks and 1 button buck. At least we think it was a button buck. I'm like 98, 99% sure that was a button buck. All the signs pointed to it being a button buck, and we don't want to shoot those. So,
Well, I'll say it was pretty wild. You know, I'm looking at, and I had a shot. Like, I had multiple shots. You know, Tim's telling me, get your gun ready. You know, it's about to be go time. And turns out they were bucks. I mean, kind of an, you know, an unfortunate thing, but it happens.
at the end of the day, we still obey the law.
Yes, and we had a good time. So I'm not mad. A little disappointed, but I'm not upset at the outcome.
Did you have fun, though?
I had a lot of fun, and
Would you go again?
I've already told you multiple times. I probably
yeah, but tell
like
them. They don't
10
know.
times in the last stand itself. I gotta say, you know, 100% I would go again. Okay, one last thing for me is the adrenaline rush. Oh my goodness.
It's called buck fever.
Yeah, the buck fever. I'm sitting there and my left hand arm, my whole arm is shaking. I mean, like, I was nervous, especially when they come out and they were so close to us. I mean, like, I felt like I could just grab it.
You get used to it, though.
Yeah, but it was my first time, so I cannot wait. And I seriously mean it. I cannot wait for the next one.
Awesome.
So,
all right, guys.
yeah.
That about does it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check out more of my hunting adventures. And we'll see you again on the next adventure.
See you later, guys.